Notion is one of the world's most used productivity apps, and pairing it with Google Calendars can really help you out. My name is Abdullah, you're watching Candid.Technology, and in this video, we're talking about how you can link your Google Calendars to your Notion app. Since Notion doesn't support native Google Calendar pairing, you're going to have to use one of two options. The first one is that you make your calendar public, copy an embed link from Google Calendar and paste it into your Notion. The second is if you want to use a third-party service like Indify to make the integration a little bit easier and to protect the privacy of your calendar. So we're going to do the first method first. We'll come here, click on the settings icon, and then click on settings again. Now in here, go all the way down to your calendars and select the one that you want to integrate in Notion. Now in the calendar settings, I'm going to scroll until I see access permission for events. So go ahead and click on the make events available to public option. And then you can select whether you want only your free busy schedule or all event details. I'm going to go ahead with all event details. And now we're not going to click on this shareable link. No, we're going to scroll down until we see this integrate calendar section and we'll see an embed code here. You can also click on this customize button to see how your calendar appears. So you can have the print icon show up. You can have date, navigation buttons. You can get rid of them if you want. I want the title. I want the time zone also. Let's get rid of the border. Yeah, that looks better. So now we have this calendar finalized according to our preferences. Now just click on this copy to clipboard button next to the embed code. And now we're going to head into Notion. Now, as you can see, I have an empty page here labeled test calendar. So I'm just going to type in / and then embed, press enter. And then I'm going to copy paste this link here. Click on embed link and we're good to go. So now I can stretch this out just so it looks slightly better. Let's bring it in from the sides a little. Yeah, that's fine. So you can see that this is the active date. I can see all of my calendars. So if I go ahead and let's head back to Google Calendars. You can also add a calendar title here, just by the way. Let me just add it. And yeah, you can choose all of the different calendars here as well. So we are good to go on this thing. So we can close this tab, go back to our calendar settings, exit out from settings. And now if I create a new task here, let's call it test task for Notion and click save. So as you can see now, my test task for Notion showed up here. It took a minute to sync, but other than that, it's all good to go. So you can see your task, see all of the details. You can click on more details, copy to your calendar, close this. You can still interact with it in the way you set. So you can select whether you want to see your daily schedule, the week, the month, so on and so forth. And that's the first way of embedding calendars into Notion. The second one is slightly tricky. Not exactly tricky, but you're going to have to rely on a third-party service called Indify.go. Now, Indify gives you Notion widgets that you can use. So something like weather, calendar for Google and Outlook, so on and so forth. So this is a slightly better looking way and it doesn't require you to make your calendar public. So we're going to go ahead and quickly sign up with Google and we've logged in. So now if I come down to see, wow, selected also. Okay, don't need the tutorial. Okay, so as you can see, there is a Google Calendar widget right here. I'm just going to go ahead and create widget. We can give it a title. So test calendar for Notion. Go ahead and click on create. See a cute little puppy floating here. Now I can sign in with my Google account. And yeah, we're good to go. So now I can close this window, I guess. Yeah. So I can come here, refresh this page. And yeah, as you can see, it immediately got my email and brought my calendar in. Now I can go ahead and customize this, so I can have my calendar show up, which calendar I want. I can have my default view. I can change event colors. You can actually change a lot of these things, but you're just going to have to use or upgrade to their pro subscription, which is like $4 a month. So that is a bit of a bummer. So options like time increments and time limit range on day view and future months will all be locked behind paid options. But you can use a 24-hour format if you'd like. You can hide the view selector if you just want it to be in one view, and you can set the week to start on Monday. We can go ahead and sort of get rid of borders. You can set a background color if you are into that. So let me see, what can I do? Notion orange. Ew, that looks gross. Green, maybe that would be better. Yeah, that's better. And then you can change the text color as well. I'm just going to make it light so that I can actually read it. Perfect. Once you're done customizing your calendar, go all the way down and then click on this embed link. Now, as usual, we head over to Notion. And as you can see, here is my old calendar. Just going to get rid of this. Now I'm going to create a new embed. Press enter, paste in this link, click on embed link, and our calendar should appear here any minute now. Alright, so as you can see, you can stretch and resize this, and there you go. So that way you can have your calendar show up on Notion without having to make it public. But if you want customization, you're going to have to spend $4 a month, and that's it. If you like this video, consider subscribing, give us a thumbs up, press the bell icon, and tell us in the comments below if you'd like us to make more of these videos. If you'd like to know more about tech, visit our website Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, follow me on Instagram or Twitter, and we'll see you in the next video.